I've always been fascinated by the mysteries of our solar system, and today we're going to explore a question that might seem a bit strange at first. Does the sun make noise? Now, you might be thinking, of course not. We can't hear anything from the sun. But let's take a closer look at this burning ball of gas that's been the center of our solar system for billions of years. Let's start with the basics. The sun is an enormous ball of gas, about 109 times wider than Earth and 93 million miles away. It's constantly churning with nuclear reactions, creating immense heat and energy. Sound, as we know it, needs a medium to travel through, like air or water. But space? It's mostly empty. It's what we call a vacuum. But here's the twist. The sun isn't actually silent. It's creating immense vibrations and pressure waves. These are like sound waves, but they're trapped within the sun itself. The sun's surface is constantly moving, creating ripples and oscillations. So, how do we know about these solar sounds if we can't hear them? This is where some clever scientific techniques come in. Scientists use a method called helioseismology. It's like studying earthquakes, but for the sun. They observe how the sun's surface moves and vibrates, and from that, they can figure out what's happening inside. Using special instruments, scientists have actually translated these solar vibrations into sound. And let me tell you, it's pretty amazing. So, does the sun make noise? Well, yes and no. It creates immense vibrations that would be incredibly loud if space had air. But in the vacuum of space, these vibrations remain silent to our ears. Yet, through the marvels of science, we can now hear the sun in ways we never imagined. Next time you look up at the sky, remember, our sun is performing a silent symphony, one that's been playing for billions of years.